Hi, welcome back to Air Engine Research. Today I'm in the workshop. I've got a few days yet before I'm going to be leaving for Germany. I'll be gone for 5 weeks, so I wanted to at least do a short little video of where I'm at. I wanted to try to have one cylinder hooked up and kind of ready, and I think I've got that now, so I thought I'd let you see where it is and how it's working. I've been working on the camshafts. That has been one of the biggest problems right here. This dude right here. I don't have the extra bearing on the back yet, so it's, as you can see, it's loose. That'll come later on, but I just wanted to try to get these camshafts correctly made and installed before I go to Germany. So I think I've got it pretty well done now. So I've got the cam thing set so it'll fire when it gets to top dead center on the cam over here. And the eccentric is how it operates. So and this is a little different than normal. The other ones that I had, they would push all the time on the outside. When it was at the top, it would be pushing down here to make it go down. But then on the return, it was pushing on the inside, which there's not enough torque. It needs to be always on the outside of the eccentric to be working correctly. So I've designed a different system, what I'm going to call a push-pull, because when the cylinder is facing out, it pushes the piston up, which pulls on the eccentric. So it's always pulling on the outside. When I get the other 4, rather than 3 cylinders mounted, they will also be pulling out all the time. I think it'll work okay. I've had a lot of trouble getting these correctly so that at the right time both of the valves are open, or closed rather, and then only one of them at a time will be in a position to either start or stop. It's going to kind of sound how it will run when it runs. It's just a slight thing right there that I'm not sure if it's closed all the way or not. I think that's almost perfect though. Okay, I have the other parts mostly made. I still have to drill holes and do some things before I'll be ready to mount the other cylinders and the valves. But like I say, I won't be doing any more now until I come back from Germany, which is going to be on the 13th of December. So when I come back, I'll start on it, and as soon as I get a few more cylinders and valves mounted. I think it'll probably run if I get the number 1 cylinder put on down here. This is number 3. Rotation is this way, so this is number 2, 3, number 4 is over here. And when I put number 1 on, I'm going to give it a try again, and I think it'll run. And then I'll see more about if there's any problem with some of the other valves. For now, though, thank you for checking in, and for you longtime subscribers, like I said earlier, please be patient. I'm trying to get it working. And for any of you that are viewing for the first time, if you would click on the subscription button, and be sure you click on the little bell to make so that you get notified when the next video comes out, which will be probably around the end of December or the 1st of January of 2024. So, guess I'll see you next year.